So I'm here with Freddie. Freddie's behind the camera with just part of our process. A lot of you will be familiar with the background here, where we take the cars just for a very short drive and we take the photos and the little walk round video. So here we are. It's a lovely dry day. First day for ages. We haven't had any rain. Ferrari's just landed. So it's a really, really pretty car. This little Ferrari 308 GT4, the Dino, named after Enzo's son. And we're probably going to take this for a little drive, and we'll just tell you a little bit about it. So I must say, when I grew up, I really didn't quite like the 308 GT4, but I'll also say I didn't like olives and I didn't like red wine. And now, not only do I love olives, I love red wine, but I really, really love the 308 GT4. This design is such a period design. It really, really is. It's just matured so well. Very, very usable car, very, very functional. 8 cylinders instead of 12, so a little bit less to worry about. You've got this brilliant 70s Italian style, which is great to see. And they drive really well. The visibility around you, these nice thin pillars, got a great snappy gear change, direct steering, loads of space, loads of light. It's a really, really pleasant place to be. So we thought we'd just go literally a mile down the road and just show you this car that's driven here today, landed today. We're really, really busy, and we'll be heading back to the auction. Take care.